this a puppy?
No, it's a cat.
It's a cat?
Yeah.
Wow.
Love, Nanay and Claire. Hello, KaFam. This is Nanay. This is Claire. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to Nanay with Claire. And then we're using a keychain Aquabeads.
Yes, we are going to make your very own keychains using ang ating Aquabeads. Ayan.
This KaFam. Wow. I see lupus right here. Nanay, you see lupus?
Yeah. I like the crown.
Yeah.
Ah, this one is flowers.
Yeah.
So...
Oh, I want this
Nice.
one. I like this. We're going to use a bead bag. Ooh. And then we're going to use what is this?
Like a spatula.
Oh, spatula. This is the orange spatula. Let's go share because there's one.
Yes. Okay. Let's share only. Sharing
And
is
then,
loving.
yes. Because what is this? Oh.
That is a dispenser. Bead dispenser.
This is a bead dispenser. Oh, you press this and then you
Yeah, the bead will come out so you can place it properly on the bed.
And then let's go use the sprayer. Then
Water
use the water to dry out.
to wet in.
Wet.
Water is for wetting.
Oh, and then we're going to use some keychain.
Key holders.
Key holders. Pink and gray. Pink and gray. And then some beads.
Of course, the beads. We need the aqua bead. Aqua beads to. Ibig sabihin, nagsistick together sila pag nababasa. We're just going to link below the Shopee shop kung saan yung mabibili ang ating aqua beads.
Aquabeads.
Keychain.
Keychain.
Set. Okay. Then, of course, we need yung ating guide. Ayan, kasi hindi tayo pa marunong ng ating Aquabeads. So, kailangan natin ng guidance. Okay, are you ready, Claire?
Yes, Nanay.
Okay.
Let's begin, KaFam. Let's go small first. Yeah.
Let's begin.
Okay, Nanay.
Okay, you decide your own colors, okay?
Okay, Nanay.
So, push natin yung creativity. Ay, okay. Ooh. 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, you put 9 beads here. 8, 9.
You send it like this. You send it like this. You send it like this.
Ay, oo. Correct. So, pag nagamit pala tayo ng, tawag dito, ng bed, itatapat nyo lang siya sa, dito sa pattern natin para mas madali para sa mga bata mag-follow. Ayan, itatapat nyo siya. Okay. Very good, Claire.
I can use this one now.
It's okay. You can learn it. Nahihirapan daw siyang gamit ng dispenser. So, it's okay. So, that's what we call learning. Correct. You're getting there. Almost done with the greens. Hi! Nice! Up here.
Yay!
Okay.
Flower is a knife. It's too hard, this one, KaFam. Let me use my hand.
So, mas nadadalian siyang gamitin yung kamay niya para i-place yung ating beads sa kanilang proper places. So, I think that works for you, Claire. Yeah.
Oh, it's nice. You see, I'm correct.
Wow, you're getting a flower now. Your first flower.
Oh, it's too easy, baby piece. Since I broke my flower, that's okay. Let me fix it.
Why are we going to spray the beads with water?
Because para wet. Papa, we spray some water and then some aqua beads is stick together.
Correct.
Then let's go open it. 1, 2, 3. We spray in here.
Yeah. Ooh. Does it work?
Let's go make a second panda.
So, what's your design? Second design,
And
Claire?
then a baby car.
A car. This is a puppy.
No, it's a cat.
It's a cat.
Yeah. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it.
Ah! Very cool. Wow.
Oh, KaFam, let's go wait 30 minutes to dry.
Yes.
You see, KaFam is easy to make Aquabeads Keychain.
Yeah. Mapapractice din ang ating fine motor skills kay Claire, no? We like to do it with fingers.
Yeah.
Right?
Because too hard, this one.
Yeah, this one. But it's cool also, but I prefer using my hands too. So let's just wait.
Yes, look at this.
Oh, nice. Okay, we are ready.
Yes, let's go. This one.
Oh. Slowly lang.
Slow. Put it on it.
Oh, nice. Cute.
Yes, that's the paper kitten now.
Nice. Ta-da. Rapunzel.
Rapunzel. It's too much fun to make Aquabeads, KaFam. I want to hide it in my bag. But it's only yours, some Rapunzel, and then this is yours, some power, and this is only mine.
Oh.
Bye, KaFam. Subscribe. Click the bell top, and then for watch Nanay and Claire.